My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour of our Moscow TV offices. And behind me is a beautiful piece of art. It's called a triptych. It is Russian black lacquered art. It's actually made of 16 layers of paper mache. And once the paper mache is formed, then the artists begin to work and they begin to paint these intricate scenes of fairy tales. Are you listening? This is very important. Russian fairy tales are illustrated on this paper mache. And the fairy tales are so fine and so exquisite that the painters paint with a brush that has one hair, just one hair. But now wait, why do I have this in our Moscow TV offices? Because it reminds me of a verse. The Bible tells us in 2 Timothy chapter 4, verse 4, that a time will come when people will turn their ears away from the truth and they shall be turned unto fables. Wow. When I look at this, that's what I think about. You know why? Because the men who painted this before the communists came, before the Bolshevik Revolution took place, do you know what these same painters did? They painted religious icons. They painted Bible scenes. All the churches were filled with the most masterful illustrations painted by artists. But when communism came, society began to change, the trends and the beliefs began to be modified. Those men were no longer popular, so they turned from the Bible and they began to paint Russian fairy tales. It's really an example of turning their ears from the truth and turning unto fables. And the reason I have this in the offices of our Moscow TV ministry is because when I walk past it, every single time I walk past it, I think about the end of the age. When the Apostle Paul, speaking under the influence of the Holy Spirit, prophesied a strange time will come when people will begin to turn their ears away from the truth and they'll begin to turn to other modifications that don't match the Bible. And of course, it reminds me of my responsibility to bring real, solid, authoritative, verse-by-verse teaching from the Bible, teaching that you can trust. And that's why this hangs on the wall of our Moscow TV office.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.